Hi, I'm Clinton.
And I'm Jason. Today we are in Novena to bring you an award-winning 3.5-story plus basement in the Terrace.
Let's go! What immediately stands out for me is how this house, sitting on a land size of 2,035 square feet, is able to offer an amazingly massive 6,800 square feet of built-up space. This is even larger than some of the built-up space in many of the semi-Ds in this area. The foyer area can accommodate one vehicle, and dog owners will appreciate the beautiful pool that will make bath time for pets something to look forward to.
Boasting a depth of 31 meters, the communal area can easily be configured for different purposes. This can either be done by partition or rearrangement of furniture. One of the key features of this house is the air well that opens into every floor of the house, promoting excellent natural ventilation throughout the building. It is so effective that the owner rarely utilizes the air conditioning.
The dry kitchen comes with a baking oven and an exquisite counter perfect for entertaining guests. It forms a pathway leading you to a stylish L-shaped wet kitchen tucked in a corner, perfect for haven cooking. Now let's head up to check out the rest of the house. Level 2 and 3 have their own kitchen, and together with the thoughtfully laid out bedrooms and ensuite bathrooms, allow each level to function as a self-sufficient apartment.
And complementing that is the special lift arrangement that give each level its own access. This gives the possibility of renting out each level while maintaining their own privacy.
Exactly. And many of these design features are made possible only after a lengthy and tedious approval process. A process which the buyer can skip when he or she purchases this home.
There's also a spacious outdoor balcony on level 2, perfect for alfresco dining. Enjoy an unblocked view of the neighbourhood from the roof terrace on the 4th floor.
The basement can either be used as a home gym, a yoga or meditation sanctuary, a minibar, or even a guest bedroom. Connectivity is right at your doorstep. The gradient of the house allowed the basement to be designed to open directly out towards the walking path that leads to Novena MRT in less than 5 minutes. There you'll find 3 shopping malls: Velocity at Novena Square, Novena Square 2, and Royal Square Novena for your shopping and grocery needs. Enjoy recreation activities at Novena Rise Park nearby for a refreshing change of pace. Schools within 1 kilometre include the Anglo-Chinese School and St. Joseph's Institution Junior for easy enrolment. Located right beside the Ministry of Home Affairs and Tan Tock Seng Hospital, this home enjoys an almost unparalleled degree of security and access to emergency services. Some of you may also be curious about the many exquisite antiques that you see around house. You'll be glad to know that many of the pieces can be acquired together with the house at the right price. Well-designed landed homes with a large built-up area, a basement, a kitchen on every floor is rarely available nowadays.
Contact us and discuss how you can make this award-winning house your home.
I'm Clinton.
And I'm Jason. We look forward to show you this house in person.